Hello everyone. Hope you are excellent. This is Nilay Shah, a corporate trainer on Advanced Excel and Power BI. So today's topic is very interesting that we are working for our data. हम data पे काम कर रहे हैं. And for us, our data is very, very, very important. So very precisely, it's important to protect your data. And I'm talking about data in Excel. So how to protect the sheet, how to protect the workbook, and how to protect the cells with the passwords. So let's try to learn this. Come on. Now you can see my screen. And if I'm talking about this screen, as usual, topic number 1, how to protect the sheet. If you observe my sheet, यदि आप मेरा sheet देखेंगे, so क्या हो रहा है? Right now, the value is 2 lakhs, entering 8 lakhs. Value change. Here it is Nestle, entering my name, Nilaisha. Here it is TML, entering Excel expert. Yes, we can change the values. Now, number 1, how to protect the full sheet. No one can enter anything without the permission. Easiest way. Click on review. Click on protect sheet. In protect sheet, you can see password to unprotect. So very, very simple. I'm giving a common password 1234. Click on OK. Re-enter the password. Once again, I've entered the re-enter the password. Click on OK. Save the file. Magic happens for you. What we have done? Giving the password. Now, instead of 8 lakhs, 0, not able to do that. Instead of Nilay Shah, Shah Nilay, not able to do that. I don't have anything here and want to enter the value, not able to do that because I have protected my whole sheet, that the sheet of conditional formatting. Number 1, way number 1, how to protect the sheet. Way number 2, how to protect the cells. Someone asked me, Nilay, I don't want to protect the full sheet. So let me unprotect this. Unprotect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Save it. Now instead of 8 lakh, 0. Instead of Nilay Shah, only Nilay. Instead of Excel expert, for example, Power BI, and we can do anything. Now, it's all about protecting a cell or a range of the cells. It means I don't want to protect the full data. I want to protect this much of the range, जो मैंने select किया हुआ है. Then this is known as either a cell protection or a range protection or a column or the row protection. How to do that? Understood. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. First, select everything. Control A. Then right click. Then you have format cell with you. Click on format cells. Here you can see in protection. By default, you are into numbers. So move yourself to protection. And in protection, everything is locked. So इसको unlock करना है. Unlock this. Click on OK. So what happens? Your all the cell addresses now are unlocked. सब कुछ unlock हो चुका है. अब मुझे क्या करना है? So I want to protect this much of data. So I've selected my range. Once again, जिस data को, it may be one cell, it may be the range, it may be the full column or full row. Select that range or select that cell. Then right click. Then once again, here, as usual, you need to click on format cells, as usual protection, and now lock. यानी हमने क्या किया? पहले सब कुछ select कर लिया, सबको unlock कर दिया, अब जिसको protect करना था उसको select कर लिया. मेरा रेंज को प्रोटेक्ट करना था तो मैंने रेंज को सिलेक्ट कर लिया, देन उसको क्या कर लिया? लॉक कर लिया. नाउ वेरी वेरी सिंपल. क्लिक ऑन रिव्यू, क्लिक ऑन प्रोटेक्ट शीट, एंटर द पासवर्ड. यदि आप यहां पे ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो लिखा हुआ है, चेक्ड है, प्रोटेक्ट वर्कशीट एंड कंटेंट ऑफ लॉक्ड सेल्स. फोकस कीजिए. प्रोटेक्ट वर्कशीट एंड कंटेंट ऑफ लॉक सेल्स, यानी ऐसे सेल्स को वो प्रोटेक्ट करेगा जो क्या है? लॉक्ड है. सो मेरे कितने सेल्स लॉक्ड है जो मैंने सिलेक्ट किए थे, तो इसका पासवर्ड दे दिया है 1234 एंड 1234 एंड ओके. सो नाउ मैजिक. निलय शाह, यू कैन पावर बीआई की जगह पे एक्सेल एक्सपर्ट यू कैन, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ 0 4 lakhs, instead of 2 lakhs 0, instead of 6,30,000 anything you want to enter, you cannot do anything. आप यहाँ पे कुछ भी कर पाएंगे, यहाँ पे कुछ भी कर पाएंगे. You can enter anything over here, but you cannot change the value without the permission. Now, if you want to change the value, click on unprotect sheet, enter the correct password, 1, 2, 3, 4, click on OK, and now you can check that my value change. Correct? So hope you have understood two major things. Number one, protect the sheet. Number two, protect the cells. Now, third most important, my personal favorite, that how to protect the workbook. Very, very simple. To protect the workbook fully, click on File, click on Save As, click on Browse. In Browse, you have location to choose. I've chosen the location. Click on Tools, click on General Options, and in General Option, you can see password to open and password to modify. If you want to generate a backup, you can click on always create a backup. तो यदि पासवर्ड भूल जाएंगे तो बैकअप वाला फाइल आपके पास रहेगा. So I always insist, create a backup, enter the password to open the file, enter the password to modify the file. Once again, re-enter the password. Once again, re-enter the password. Okay, and don't forget to click on save. यानी आपको सेव पे क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. So I've clicked on save. Yes, replace करना है. I've clicked on yes. Close this file. अब यदि आप यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो दो चीज हुआ. Number one, general master file will be there. Number two, backup will be there because we have generated a backup. So now if anyone wants to open this file, come on. If anyone wants to open this file, कुछ नहीं होगा जब तक आप पासवर्ड ही नहीं डालेंगे. So let's check this. Enter the password. If you are entering the incorrect password, you are not able to open the file. So जब तक आपके पास दोनों पासवर्ड सही नहीं है, I repeat, जब तक आपके पास दोनों पासवर्ड सही नहीं है, तब तक आप फाइल को ओपन नहीं कर पाएंगे. Okay, so once again, click here, entering both correct passwords. So now you can see password, the first password 1, 2, 3, 4. The second password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If someone wants to check the read only, he can. Okay, and okay. Now we are in the file. Okay, so this is what we have understood. That is how to protect the sheet. Number one, how to protect the cells or the range of cells. Number two, and how to protect the workbook. Okay, so yes, guys, hope you have understood these things. Protection of data is very, very important. So try to do this yourself. Try to revise this once again wherever you want. And I always share this. It is very, very important to practice this. Upskill yourself, upgrade yourself. And whenever you feel, Nilesh sir, we want to understand this topic from you, ping me anywhere. I'm always available to share my knowledge with all of you. Thank you so very much. Once again, Nilesha, corporate trainer for Advanced Excel. Bye-bye. Take a very good care. Thank you.